Hello everyone, welcome to Bina's Notebook. Today we are going to learn phrases and clauses. Means the difference between phrases and clauses. Let's clear our doubts. This is very commonly asked question, so we will try to understand it, what exactly they are and the differences. So let's get started. At first, I want to give you an example. My best friend. Rahul is my best friend. Both of them are group of words. One is a phrase and another one is a clause. Can you say which one is a phrase and which one is a clause? Let me clear it. From these two group of words, a group of words which has subject and a verb is a clause, that is subject and verb combination, and another does not have subject and verb combination is a phrase. So now look at the group of words. My best friend. Here we don't have a subject or a verb, so it is a phrase. Rahul is my best friend. Here we have a subject, that is Rahul, and a verb is, that is a helping verb. So Rahul is my best friend. It is a clause. Now let's see some more examples to get it clear. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words with no subject and verb, that is no subject and verb combination. Does not have meaning if it is used alone. For example, a beautiful girl. It is a group of words with a noun and an adjective. On the table. It is again a group of words having preposition and noun. It does not have meaning if it is used alone. Phrases are actually group of words which are used as a single unit in a sentence. Let's look at clauses. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. That means subject and verb combination. It has complete meaning by itself. Example, Rahul is my best friend. Here, Rahul is a subject and is a verb, and it also gives us complete meaning. Clauses are divided into two parts based on their usage. Number one, that is independent clause. Independent clause is actually a complete sentence. For example, you were in the party. It is an complete sentence and does not depend on other sentence. So now, what is dependent clause? It is a group of words with subject and verb combination but does not convey full meaning. Hence, it is not used as sentence. For example, if I say, when I came home. When I came home has a subject, I, and a verb, came. But it is a meaningful group of words but lacks entire thought that when I came home, then what? What happened? After that, we don't know. But if I say, when I came home, you were in the party, is a complete sentence with one dependent and one independent clause, combination of both. See another example. Before you go to bed, dependent clause. You have to complete your homework, independent clause. Before you go to bed cannot be used alone because as it won't convey any meaning. It is a dependent clause. Whereas you have to complete your homework is independent clause. as it can be used alone. Combining both will give you a complete sentence and meaning. So, we are done with the similarities and differences of clauses. We have done today difference between phrases and clauses and independent and dependent clauses. There are different types of phrases and clauses. We will discuss it in the next video. Thank you for watching Beena's Notebook. Message me in the comment section if you have any doubts.